else I got.
Pay attention. Come on, Tony. Bear, come on, Bear. Yeah. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to K the Engineer. And today we're gonna start back working on the T-Spill. So on this, I'm gonna start to work on the glove, which is the controls of it. Y'all follow your boy. Yep, it's always a good day when a fresh Amazon pack at your door. Man, let's get this thing going. Yeah, you know, some people spend their money on cars and food and clothes and all that other stuff. I spend my money on electronics and sensors, and that's the look of I don't care. That, my friends, is a Raspberry Pi camera, and they are super small. That's gonna go on the T-Spill, not the glove, guys. This is a LCD screen that's gonna go on the glove. That's gonna check my biometrics, I think. This is one of the most important pieces on this glove. This is the microphone that I'm gonna install in a future video, but it's important because I'm gonna use this to talk directly to the T-Spill to do, you know, cool sci-fi stuff. This is the charger. Now I don't have to take the battery off anymore. I can just plug in a USB-C and it'll charge on its own. This is the buck booster. It's taking a 3.7 volts and take it up to 5. So I wanted some type of feedback in the glove. So I got these vibration motors. These are just pin diodes or backswing diodes. You know it wouldn't be sci-fi if you didn't have any LED lights, so I got them. These are flexible sensors that I'm going to use on my index finger, and this is going to add more motion to the T-Spill. This by far is my favorite part I brought. These are aviation toggle switches, man, and I always wanted to play with these, and I finally got some. So these are laser pointers. I'm going to use this to add a little bit more motion to the T-Spill. Like I can point it at something and it should follow it. These are passive buttons. I'm not sure what I'm going to use them for yet, but you know, I just like buttons. So I got them. This is a 24 gauge wire because I was running out of it and I definitely need to restock. Now, usually I just use tape, but I brought some heat shrink, and that is premium white leather. So soft. If you ever get the chance to play with these, just play with them, man. They're so fun. This right here is a potentiometer. That's going to be the scroll button on my LCD screen. Yeah, so I know a lot of y'all are young, so let me put y'all on game. Back in the 90s, they used to put clear filament on the backs of electronics, and you know I had to do the same thing. Man, I miss the 90s. This is all the parts you're gonna need to start off the glove, and I'm gonna show y'all the wiring on that too in another video. So, believe it or not, guys, I'm really not that great at soldering. I'm still really teaching myself how to do it correctly. So what I did was, Amazon sells this kit that actually has like really small parts that you can solder to a board just to, you know, hone your skills. So anybody who's doing engineering, especially electrical or, you know, electronics engineering, I would suggest you learn how to solder microscopic parts like this, because it can go a long way. Yeah, so I finally finished soldering the charger component, and it took me so long because my solder iron tip had oxidized, and if you know anything about that, the solder would not stick anymore to the tip. Yeah, so I didn't have too much trouble soldering this component. This is the MPU of the glove, and it basically tells the T-spit which direction to go or when to roll and pitch. This is the buck booster, so it's going to take the voltage coming out of the battery and kind of up it or like amplify it up to 5 volts. And it does that by using that potentiometer right there on the front to increase resistance, which causes more or less electrons to come through its path. Alright fam, so I ran into my first problem, which was the battery. So this battery came with this size connector. I don't know if you can see it, it's really small. And I only have these types of connectors that can attach to the battery and the board. So what I had to do was I had to cut the wire and then solder my connectors onto this battery. So now I'm able to put power on the board, man. Problem solved. Alright y'all, thank y'all for watching that video. Y'all come back and check out the other ones. I got so much footage I had to chop up all these videos, man. I did that because I know people's attention span is kind of short these days, and these was getting really long. So y'all come back, like and subscribe. Thank you to all my supporters. Love you guys. See y'all in the next one, man.